careful. Bust it down, I might as well. You sit there and you wanna. Just cause you got damage done. So wrong, for so long. Only trying to please myself.
That you only meant well. I love what you did, what you say.
I mean, what you say, I don't want you to leave.
Obviously, man's been gone for a minute, innit? It's... we don't speak about it. It's okay. It's really okay. Do you see your life? Do you see it?
Yeah.
So today I'm going to be filming my skincare routine because I'm bored. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And last time I said I'll see you on the flip side, it really took me 3 years. So
one eternity later.
because my skin's quite sensitive, so obviously I don't use like tons and tons of products, because the way my skin will just come and cry, the way it will just come and yeesh. The 4 products I use are all from the Body Shop. I just find these are the ones that work best for me for my skin type, because I have rather sensitive skin. So this is what I found over the years, and this is what I found works best for me. This Tea Tree 3-in-1 scrub, face mask and wash. You're only meant to use it like once or twice a week. I'm not meant to use it every day, but I just find it works best for me.
No baby, no windy, no sun.
So normally I apply this mask before I enter the shower, and then I just leave it on there. I shower, and then before I get out of the shower, that's when my skincare routine takes place. I take this brush. I have no clue where my mum got it from, but I find it works well. I find like using a brush on your face, like to like exfoliate and everything, works really well. It's good for taking out all of the dirt and everything. So this is the brush I use. After done the face scrub, I then go in with this aloe vera foaming face wash, and I use the same brush to, you know, yeah, to wash my face, innit?
So bad, it's so new. Wishing I'd be it.
I go in with this Tea Tree Daily Solution. It's meant to be good for fading blemishes and things like that, so I apply this every day.
If I'm fine when I believe in me.
Once I've applied that solution, I then go in with this aloe vera soothing day cream. I put some drops of the tea tree solution in here, just so you know. I don't really have a reason. It just seemed like the smart thing to do. You know what I mean? I did.
Better like that. When we be on the scene where you got me, winging me.
The last step to my skincare routine is simple Vaseline, because you see, the way I've been seeing some of you man walking around with dry and crusty lips, yeesh, see what it is sometimes in this life. The thing is, what we're not going to do this year in big 2020 is be walking around with dry lips at your big age. Because at your big age, you want to be doing up dry and cracked lips as if your cousin is the Sahara Desert. What's your own? In big 2020, we're not going to be doing that. So that was my completed skincare routine. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe I'll upload frequently. Maybe I won't. Who knows? See this uni thing. I'm wishing you all a blessed 2020 full of prosperity and happiness and joy. And I shall see you. The last time I said the flip side, it really took me 3 years. So, Bye.
When I